The European motorcycle market is facing a serious dilemma, and the cracks are showing. Despite their rich heritage, advanced engineering, and innovative designs, some European manufacturers are struggling to sell certain models. Dealers are finding themselves with inventory piling up as customers turn their backs on these once popular machines. Whether it's due to high price tags, maintenance concerns, or competition for more affordable options, these motorcycles just aren't moving. Compounding these issues are changing consumer preferences and shifting trends in the global motorcycle market, leaving manufacturers scrambling to adapt. In today's video, we'll take a closer look at 8 European motorcycle models dealers can't sell, and why 2025 could make things even worse. We'll delve into the reasons behind the poor sales performance of these motorcycles, analyze market trends, and explore potential solutions. This video provides critical insights into how the European motorcycle industry must evolve to survive. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on the latest updates. Number 8. BMW K1600 Grand America. Luxury touring bikes are supposed to offer unmatched comfort and features, but the BMW K1600 Grand America is struggling to find buyers. This heavyweight tourer boasts a powerful 6-cylinder engine, a host of advanced tech features, and a premium build quality. However, with a price tag nearing $30,000 and high maintenance costs, many riders are opting for more affordable alternatives like Honda's Goldwing. Adding to the woes, the Grand America's bulk and complexity can be intimidating for newcomers to the touring segment. Its size makes it unwieldy for urban environments, and its high running costs deter cost-conscious buyers. With a market day supply of over 250 days, dealers are finding it tough to justify stocking this premium behemoth. Additionally, newer models from competitors with better fuel efficiency and advanced electronics have overshadowed the K1600 Grand America, making it harder for BMW to retain interest in this segment. Without significant updates to address these concerns, the K1600 risks becoming obsolete in a rapidly evolving market. Some industry experts suggest BMW may need to introduce a more affordable variant or offer additional features to reignite interest. Number 7. Ducati Diel 1260. The Ducati Diel 1260 combines cruiser comfort with the heart of a sport bike. While it's undoubtedly a head-turner with jaw-dropping performance, its niche appeal is part of the problem. Priced at $22,000 on average, the Diel faces stiff competition from Harley-Davidson and other cruiser giants that offer similar power at lower prices. The rise of adventure bikes and sport touring motorcycles has further limited the demand for muscle cruisers like the Diel. With over 7,000 units sitting on dealer floors worldwide, Ducati may need to rethink how to position this striking machine. Furthermore, the limited comfort on longer rides and a lack of utility for casual riders make the Diel 1260 less appealing to a broader audience. The steep price tag and high insurance costs further alienate potential buyers. Dealers report that even loyal Ducati enthusiasts are opting for more versatile models, leaving the Diel to collect dust. Ducati may need to invest in targeted marketing campaigns or explore modifications that make the Diel more appealing to wider audiences. Number 6. Triumph Tiger Sport 660. Next up is the Triumph Tiger Sport 660, a middleweight adventure touring bike that seemed poised to dominate its class. Unfortunately, its $9,500 price tag is considered steep for a beginner-friendly ADV, especially with competitors like Yamaha's Tracer 7 offering similar performance at a lower cost. While the Tiger Sport 660 boasts Triumph's signature refinement and quality, it struggles to appeal to budget-conscious riders or seasoned adventurers looking for more capability. Its market day supply of 275 days highlights just how tough the competition is in this segment. Moreover, the limited aftermarket customization options and relatively conservative design have made it harder for the Tiger Sport 660 to stand out in the competitive middleweight ADV market. Triumph's inability to offer aggressive financing options or promotions has further hampered sales of this otherwise capable motorcycle. Without innovative pricing strategies or feature enhancements, Triumph risks losing further ground to its competitors in this vital segment. Number 5. KTM RC8C. KTM's limited edition track bike, the RC8C, was intended to showcase the brand's racing pedigree. Despite its stunning performance and exclusivity, its $40,000 price tag and single-minded focus on track use have alienated many potential buyers. As other manufacturers release street-legal supersport bikes with similar capabilities at a fraction of the price, the RC8C remains a hard sell. Many of the 2024 models are still sitting in dealer showrooms with supply heavily outpacing demand. Furthermore, the RC8C's lack of practicality for street use and high maintenance costs make it more of a luxury collector's item than a viable option for most riders. KTM may need to consider developing a more affordable track-inspired model with street usability to tap into a larger market segment. Without adjustments, the RC8C risks being remembered as a misstep in KTM's otherwise stellar lineup. Adding to KTM's woes is a broader crisis that extends beyond the RC8C. The company has struggled with supply chain issues, which have delayed production and delivery of several popular models. Rising costs of raw materials and fierce competition from Japanese and Italian brands have further squeezed KTM's profitability. Dealers report that KTM's focus on niche models, like the RC8C, has left gaps in their lineup for mass-market offerings, contributing to declining sales figures across multiple regions. The lack of broader appeal and high costs underscore the challenges KTM faces in balancing innovation with accessibility. If KTM doesn't adapt its strategy, its reputation as a leader in performance motorcycles could face significant erosion in the coming years. Number 4. Aprilia Tuono 660. The Aprilia Tuono 660 offers thrilling performance in a lightweight package, but it hasn't found the success Aprilia hoped for. Priced at $10,500, it competes directly with Yamaha's MT-07 and Kawasaki's Z650, two models that undercut it significantly in price while offering comparable performance. Furthermore, concerns over long-term reliability and a sparse dealer network in many regions have deterred potential buyers. Dealers now face an oversupply, with 300 days of market inventory becoming the norm for the Tuono 660. Additionally, the higher cost of parts and limited servicing options further discourage buyers who might otherwise consider Aprilia. Without significant improvements in dealer support and pricing strategy, the Tuono 660 risks being eclipsed by its Japanese rivals. Aprilia could benefit from a comprehensive marketing campaign to highlight its strengths and differentiate it in an increasingly crowded market. Offering extended warranties or lower maintenance packages could also help regain customer trust. Number 3. Moto Guzzi V85 TT. Moto Guzzi's V85 TT was designed as a retro-inspired adventure bike, but it struggled to keep up with rivals in the rapidly growing ADV segment. Its $13,000 price tag, coupled with modest off-road capabilities and limited aftermarket support, has turned many buyers toward more versatile options like BMW's F850 GS or the Yamaha Tenere 700. Dealers are reporting 280 days of inventory, and Moto Guzzi may need to revamp its strategy to compete in this competitive space. The retro design, while appealing to a niche audience, lacks the broad functionality that modern ADV riders demand. Moto Guzzi could benefit from introducing a more modern variant with improved technology and off-road capabilities to regain ground in this rapidly evolving market. Additionally, offering promotional incentives or accessory bundles could help rekindle interest in this classic-inspired motorcycle. Without such adjustments, the V85 TT risks being relegated to niche status, unable to compete with mainstream adventure bikes. Number 2. Husqvarna Nordon 901. The Husqvarna Nordon 901 was expected to be a breakout success in the adventure bike world. However, its $14,000 price and similarities to its KTM sibling, the 890 Adventure, have made it a tough sell. Riders often opt for the KTM due to its larger dealer network and broader aftermarket support. Adding to its woes, the Nordon's relatively late arrival in an already crowded segment means it's struggling to carve out a niche. Dealers are now holding onto units for an average of 320 days. Additionally, feedback from riders about its weight distribution and limited customization options have further limited its appeal. Husqvarna will need to differentiate the Nordon 901 with unique features or pricing incentives to stay relevant in the competitive ADV landscape. Without such efforts, the Nordon risks being overshadowed entirely by its well-established competitors. Improved marketing that emphasizes its distinctiveness and upgrades to its functionality could help secure its place in the market. Number 1. Triumph Rocket 3 GT. The Triumph Rocket 3 GT is a motorcycle that embodies excess in every sense of the word. With its enormous 2,500cc engine delivering unparalleled torque, it's one of the most powerful production bikes ever made. However, this impressive feat of engineering comes with a price, literally. At $23,000, the Rocket 3 GT is beyond the budget of many potential buyers, especially when combined with high running costs, insurance premiums, and maintenance expenses that can add up quickly over time. One of the main challenges for the Rocket 3 GT is its sheer size and weight. At nearly 300 kilograms, it's a beast to handle, particularly in urban settings where agility and maneuverability are essential. This limits its appeal to seasoned riders with the physical strength and experience to manage such a massive machine. While its power and road presence are undeniable, these very traits make it intimidating for the average rider. Moreover, the Rocket 3 GT is caught in a niche market where demand is shrinking. Its unique appeal caters to a select audience, riders who crave exceptional power and exclusivity but are willing to overlook practicality. As the industry shifts toward lighter, more versatile motorcycles, the Rocket 3 GT's heavyweight design feels increasingly out of step with modern trends. Dealers are finding it increasingly difficult to move units, with a market day supply exceeding 300 days. Triumph faces the challenge of balancing its heritage of bold innovation with the practical demands of today's riders. Some suggest that a more accessible variant of the Rocket 3, with reduced weight and cost, could help revive interest in this iconic model. Without such adaptations, it risks becoming more of a collector's item than a practical choice for the road. Triumph will need to explore creative solutions to make the Rocket 3 GT more attractive to a broader audience. Expanded financing options and promotional campaigns might be the key to ensuring its success. And there you have it, 8 European motorcycle models that dealers just can't sell. As competition heats up and buyer preferences shift, manufacturers will need to adapt quickly to avoid more unsold bikes in 2025. This means improving value propositions, enhancing dealer support, and embracing emerging trends in electric and hybrid technology to future-proof their offerings. If you found this video insightful, give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments which models you've seen lingering on dealer floors. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the world of motorcycles. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next one.